What are you doing?
Look at
Dude! Oh my god. Yeah, that's something for next time. But now we are driving BMW 120D, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so what's done to it? What is it?
It's yeah, coupe ST suspension.
Okay, so it has
yellow
different.
soft brakes.
Yeah.
Brake pads.
Oh, there's too much diesel action happening. We need to probably wait till it's quiet because it's not way too loud at everything. So ST suspension, yellow stuff brake pads. We're in Pilot Sport 5 tires. What's the stock power Newton meters versus now?
Stock power is 177.
Yeah.
Horsepower and I think 3 something
Newton meters. Yeah.
At stage 1.
So it's a bit higher.
To 210 plus.
Nice.
And 450 Newton meters.
Okay. It's not DCT, but well, ZF Auto-ish transmission.
Yes.
Is it 6-speed or? Yeah. Okay. So HP6, and yeah, I guess let's hop in and see how a Diesel 1 Series performs. We haven't done it yet, so I'm actually kind of curious. And then we'll be going with this diesel, but maybe actually you already seen that video. Who knows? Who knows? Alrighty, here we go. Ah, no pedal shifts.
No, too bad.
Ah, so I need to do it manual. Okay.
You can.
Old school.
Yeah.
Old school style.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. 170, almost 180 the compression. So far. Crash just right here after the poor stateside supercars. No filming for him today. No, but yeah, fantastic. I mean, I'm really impressed.
Okay.
I don't know what I expected, but definitely not this.
Okay.
And the tires, of course, do a lot because they're really good. Suspension helps. It's still a bit on the soft side because you can feel the rear is also like
throttling.
Yep, but yeah, it's quite all right. If you make it a bit stiffer, it's going to be like a really nice truck car. Yeah. What are you doing? Dude stayed on the right the whole time.
Look at
And dude, are you? I'm impressed.
Okay, good to hear.
Oh, by his invisibility.
Also, yeah.
Yeah, also by the car. Yep. No, very good. Like I said, suspension can be stiffer.
Yeah.
Should be. Brakes can be slightly more powerful, but it was alright. I would even say it's slightly bigger because it's really small diameter for the speeds you can actually carry with this car. But surprised, really, like, it's really good.
Okay.
It's really nice. Like, it's a good track car, like, to understand what it does.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you for this experience.
Happy to hear you enjoyed.
Yeah, for sure.